Nico Ladenis, legendary chef, dies at age 89. In his heyday, Ladenis was often spoken of in the same breath as the Rock's brother and the Raymond Blanc. The self-taught chef shot to critical acclaim when in the 19s he won 3 Michelin stars and 90 Park Lane. His eponymous Chaz No Nico in Dulwich opened in 1973 and later. Simply, Nico in Pimlico opened in 1899 and it was Chaz at where he became a household name. Ladinis was described as a field marshal of classical cuisine, spoke in the same breath as industry legends including Raymond Blanc. Entirely self-taught, the chef who entered the profession late at age 37 has spent his early life in the oil and gas industry. He went on to achieve pinnacle in British gastronomy as the self-taught chef to win 3 Michelin stars. We wish him rest in peace and his family to to also not rely on him and grow more. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe.